kain po tayo. Yan ang aking lunch for today. Ayan, meron tayong insaladang eggplant. Ayan, with kamatis and sibuyas. Sarap po yan. At yung ating mango juice. At ito, yung ating mang-inasal. Ayan, medyo nasunog ng konti, pero sarap yan. Yummy, yummy. Ayan, yung ating mang-inasal. Ayan. Yan ang aming lunch for today. Ayan. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Happy eating. Please like and share and subscribe na rin po.